Today I explored this cave with a lot of loot, a lot of mobs and a lot of lava. It almost killed me. I mean, I wanted a lot of stuff, so I was really greedy, but it almost killed me. But at the end, if you want to see what happens, then stick around till the end and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Enjoy the video. Today I am a businessman, a true businessman who trades coal for emeralds, quality emeralds that make you a billionaire. That's right, that's my strategy. Okay, so now I'll trap this villager so that it doesn't escape, and I'll do what I promised. I know I promised that I'll explore caves and all, but I will. Okay, first I need to customize my house and stuff. I'll do that real quick. Done. That's right. So now I'll just go to the cave. That's the main thing of this episode. I'll go to the cave and encounter some mobs, but first I have to get my health up and even the hunger rate. Alright, so let's go. Where's the cave? Where's the cave? Keep jumping. Alright. We will get a lot of mobs in the cave, but I need to stay strong. I need to use my weapons. Alright, so it's too dark in here. I got some coal and I needed more stuff. I need more stuff. Okay. Okay, so now this is too dark, man. I am having a gut feeling that I'll die here. 200%. The zombie. I hate you. Kill it, kill it, kill it. I'm not afraid of you, okay? I am not afraid of you. Why don't you understand? No matter what comes in front today, I am not backing up. I'll win. Alright. The creeper. Oh my god. Right. The most fascinating explosion I've ever seen. Oh my god. Don't kill me. Right. Kill it, kill it. Right. So killing these was easy. Very easy. So easy that I'm sweating right now. Okay. So now I need to light this place up, and this place has a lot of loot. I have a feeling that it does. That's why it does. See, iron. I got it. Alright. Now I need more stuff. More iron, more coal, more everything. Give me everything you got. Okay. Right. Now let's light this place up. This place is huge. This is just huge. I can make this my secret base in the next episode. Right. I'll make this place my secret base in the next episode. If you wanna stay tuned, then subscribe. Okay. Now that you have done that, let's just mine this. Right. Alright. I've got a lot of iron now, so more iron. That's right. More iron. Now, awkward silence. No awkward silence, okay? I need to explore that side of the cave. In the previous side, I got a lot of stuff like coal, iron, all. But now I need more. First, I'll make a stair-like thing here so that it's easy to come in. Right, and even safer because I don't want mobs attacking me at home. Right. Alright, I need to make a pathway to that side. Make it. Alright. Super skill. That's right. Done. Nailed it. Okay. Now. So guys, this place is very dark and I got a glimpse of a creeper. Which I hope there's no creeper here because I am not at full health. Oh my god. Kill it, just kill it. Don't. Alright, I survived. I'm alive. I am calm. Oh my god, another. Just die, okay? Nobody wants you in here. Right. Lava. Okay, I'll need this lava because I need to make an infinite lava source and an infinite water source, and then I need to make another portal and get into the nether to get blaze rods, magma cream and all. so that I can beat the game. That's right. Alright. So there's a lot of iron here, but the thing is, I hear zombies which are above me, but I'm not really sure. They may be here somewhere, and that scares me because I don't know where they are and where they'll come from, which is scary once again. Okay, now iron. Alright, so for this episode, I have got a lot of iron, so I'll probably get going. Where is the zombie? I don't see anything. How is this possible? Alright, guys, so we are almost out of this place. Not almost, but we're not even out. Okay, I was gonna go, but what happened is that I saw coal and I remembered about that trader who gives emeralds for coal. So yeah. Alright guys, so now we're out and skeleton. I need to kill this. I'll get bone meal for my farm. That's right. Kill it. Oh nah, weakling. You aren't killing me. Nah. Die. That's right. Alright, so the skeleton died. So I guess this is it for this episode, guys. If you liked the video, then please subscribe, I guess. Wait, is there a cave here? No, I don't think so. Alright, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching.